Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the UAG Monarch Pro made with Kevlar for the 16 Pro. If you don't know who UAG is, or if you haven't tried out the cases, you have been missing out. They make some of the best cases for many different phones, and I don't think this one will be any different. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet with this case? We'll also see if you get lip protection, camera protection. Does it have bulk? I haven't looked at the case, so I don't know how they did the camera button cutout. They might have a cutout, they might have a button. We'll check that out also. But we just look for the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have a link in the description if you want to pick this up. They do make it for the 16 Pro Max. I need to give a shout out, if I haven't said that already, to UAG for sending these cases out to me for a review. Nice presentation from them. It says 25 feet drop tested. Bam. If you want to pause it, you can definitely do so and read that too. But let's see how you get in this bad box here. Let's see. Might go from the bottom, might be easier. Oh, I love the blue. I love the blue and black color there. The normal UAG logo. You have some honeycomb patterns for the grip on the sides. And they have a cutout. Again, little grips on the sides there. The power button. Same honeycomb pattern on the inside. Let's see how this thing fits. You heard that snap. You get camera protection there. You can see it. Also, look at the lip protection. You get it all the way around. I mean, that's a lot all the way around there. Everything lines up at the bottom. The power button is nice and easy to press. Vine rockers are the same. Yeah, that's easy. The action button works. What do y'all think about that camera button cutout? It's pretty precise though, and it has a little bit of leeway to go in there. Can you get to it? Yes. Do you have the function? Let's see. You have the function that you normally have. You can take a picture. So it works, and they don't do a bad job. It's not a big cutout. It has it at the top and the bottom, so that's what a lot of case companies are doing right now. And this one is not done bad. But it's not a button either, so. But I do like the grip you get on here. I like the grip that you get from the sides. Now, it does add a little bit of bulk to your phone. I mean, you can tell there, look at it, the angles. It definitely adds a little bit of bulk. It has that drop protection you look for. The overall fit, that's pretty good. A little loose on the sides, but at the bottom there, I mean, the sides are a little bit playable. But again, it comes back. When you drop your phone, the phone is not just going to pop out of the case at all. Who drops their phone so many times? But these cases really protect it. What do you? I love that color. It doesn't show off the beauty really, but it definitely will protect your phone. Let's see, can you wireless charge? Can wireless charge? And that magnet is not bad. Let's see. Look, it's not one of the best out there because I can pull it off pretty easy. My puck went just flying. Let's see, where's my little... So it comes off if you shake it a little bit. So is it one of the strongest magnets out there? No, but For me, I think it will work great with the way I use MagSafe. Now, if you have a heavy battery pack, it may not. Or even in a car charger, driving around, if you live in a bad spot where the roads are horrible, maybe like in New Orleans or something, the roads are not the greatest sometimes over there, it may pop off. But I don't think you would have a problem with most of the roads in the USA. But it's not one of the strongest ones out there. But for me, it's doable. Again, I don't use MagSafe that much. So for me, the battery packs I have and chargers I have, not an issue. So let's wrap this up. It does check off a lot of boxes. The buttons are really good. I love how tactile they are. You get a lot of lip protection around the whole display. Not even the top and the bottom, it's around the whole display. The camera cutout is good. It could be a little bit more precise. The camera button, yes, we all like the little button on top, but this one is not bad. The cutout is pretty precise on there, and it works. Everything lines up at the bottom and all around it. Also, the fit is really good on there. The only thing is the magnet could be a little bit stronger, but it's not a deal breaker for me. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you're following me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.